The ODSD Handheld Steam Cleaner offers a swift cleaning solution by delivering high-temperature steam within 15 seconds, effectively tackling stubborn grime without the need for chemicals. This versatile steam cleaner features a convenient 3-level steam control, allowing users to easily adjust the steam intensity for a variety of cleaning tasks, from delicate upholstery to tough tile grime. With its large 1.6-liter tank, the ODSD Steam Cleaner ensures up to 48 minutes of continuous steam, making it ideal for thorough cleaning sessions without frequent interruptions. Equipped with 16 specialized attachments, this steam cleaner provides professional-level cleaning for both home and car, efficiently handling tasks on tiles, grout, windows, and car interiors. The eco-friendly design of the ODSD Steam Cleaner ensures safe cleaning for families and pets by utilizing only high-temperature steam, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Its extended reach, thanks to a 78-inch steam hose and power cord, coupled with a lightweight and compact design, makes it easy to maneuver and store in tight spaces.